So this is a problem with this industry. When we think of repair, we think it's a very tedious task.
What is this machine all about?
So this is an inexpensive liquid pouch packing machine,
And why do you call it inexpensive?
because you can run this business from a small place, a small setup like your house.
What all products can we run on this?
So any non-aerated drinks, you can pack buttermilk, rasna, kokum juice, Pepsi, the small Pepsi candies, anything is
And
good to go with this.
is it okay if we pack alcohol in this?
Yes, you can pack alcohol also.
Can we pack any liquid or any product which has chunk?
No, this machine is not designed in such a way. So this machine works on gravity principle. The liquid is stored in this container and it is coming through the pipe. If there are any chunks, so it will block the passage of the pipes and wouldn't work properly.
Suppose if we have any product that has chunk, can you all make a separate machine for that?
Yes, we can.
Okay. When you call this machine inexpensive, what do you mean? You all are the cheapest?
See, liquid pouch packing machine, there are thousands of manufacturers. But when you want to purchase a machine or when you want to go for such a machine, you have to check, is the manufacturer trusted or what kind of components is he using. When you have to see the components, check the heaters, the belts.
Okay, now so as a small business owner, I will put my hard-earned money in this because I cannot afford high expensive machines. So if I want to go for this machine, what is the guarantee? How much time will this machine, what is the life of the machine?
So basically, when I say trusted manufacturer, so he should be using good quality components. The lifespan of this machine is anywhere between 5 to 10 years, but if the manufacturer is going for cheap quality products, so it wouldn't last for 6 months also.
So whenever the customer is buying the machine from anybody, any manufacturer, what are the things one needs to consider while buying the machine?
Firstly, the most important is the steel he is using. Then heaters you have to take into consideration, the controllers, as well as the wires, the MCB, the motor, gearbox. You have to consider all these while buying the machine.
Any customer who is planning to buy this machine, they are more concerned about the service part. So from any part of the world, suppose let's say somebody purchases the machine from Nigeria or any part of Africa. So what about the service? If he likes your machine, if the machine is looking good on video and he wants to purchase it, how about the service part? How are you going to provide service to the customer?
So this is a problem with this industry. When we think of repair, we think it's a very tedious task. But it is very basic. It is specially made for small businesses. If the heater is gone, you can just remove the old heater and put this. We can assist you all with the same. If the controllers are gone, we can send the controllers from here. It's just DIY. If the motor is gone, then we can provide you with the motor, or motor is locally available. So it is just plug it and it is ready to go.